I think we at least 10x the cost of LeadTruffle. It's a net that I know nobody's getting through. If somebody calls the company, leaves us a voicemail, I know it's going to end up in the customer service email. I'm 100% certain that nobody's left. We haven't missed a voicemail in 6 months, right? If somebody left us a voicemail, we dealt with it. There's a lot more hit and miss. Somebody doesn't check the voicemail, then it's just not automated, right? Our company is going to have to evolve with it. We are going to have to ride this wave or we're going to get drowned. We'll get outcompeted. It's a net that I know nobody's getting through. That net being a lot tighter. And if you look at our reviews, at least a quarter of them mentioned customer service was really strong and the office was great. LeadTruffle played a part in that. LeadTruffle is very matter of fact about it, like, just give me your address. It still keeps my customer service team at the forefront of things. And I think that's going to be important for companies to do going forward. Our ability to tailor the prompt made those conversations really good. The ability to get that prompt right and make sure that that was solid. It would be a deal breaker if it wasn't there, but I think it's an appropriate use of technology. People see it as what it is, which is a data collection tool that's smart. And I think that that's great. Well, I think it's a great product, and I think it keeps technology where it should be. It still keeps my customer service team at the forefront of things. I think it's an appropriate use of technology.